Draft improvements. In ZW3D 2020, the performance of Draft has been significantly improved to satisfy different design needs, and Draft with parting face and parting edge is supported now. This is a case of an unruled surface. The Draft command with improved algorithm can deal with it now. Pick the edges, set the draft angle, and click OK to complete. This is a case of parting face. This slot can be drafted with the new Parting Faces option. Pick the stationary face, the parting face, and the draft faces. Set the angle and you can get a draft face. In the case of parting edge, just pick the parting edges in place of the parting face, and you can get the same result. With the enhanced draft function, more design scenarios can be handled in ZW3D 2020 now.